All right, we got a 2002 Honda CRV. We got the cover open here. So the cover has two 10 millimeters. One is right here, one is on the opposite side. We took off all the clips. You got to get two clips from back here. One is here, and a couple are down here, and a couple in the front. So once you get that open, you're gonna see the knock sensor all the way in there. It's gonna be a little tough to get to, but we'll get it out. So it's looking right at us. Let's take a better look at it. Right there behind the starter. So we're gonna remove this retainer clip right next to the starter, and then we're gonna remove the connector of the knock sensor. So that's a better view right there, even though you still can't see much. But we're gonna remove this little guy right here. Gives us a little bit more clearance. This is out. You can push the harness a little bit to the side, and then make sure the car is nice and cold, so you can put your hands in there. Okay, so I'm gonna use this socket. This is a 1 by 1/16. It's a 12 point. Got a reducer there with the 3/8 drive ratchet, long ratchet, snap on, so I can get that angle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can put my camera right here so we all can see it, if it's possible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ratchet here. I'm gonna slowly try to go from back down here. It's a wobble head ratchet, so I can get a good angle. I already removed the connector. I was able to put my hand in there. If you got skinny hands, it should be easy for you to go in there. There it is. It's right on the neck of it. Let's see if I can turn it. Yep. It's loose. It's loose. Loose, and everything is hot. Put my hand in here. Right from back here. Same way I did that connector. Is it this way or this way? Yep, it is this way. It's coming out. There you go. Turning it by hand. Sensor is super hot. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the socket and just the reducer with it, so I can turn it, so I don't have to touch the sensor. There you go. I was gonna kind of mess with this, but it's on it. Okay, I'm gonna turn the baby out, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so there's the knock sensor. It's a very easy job. You're just gonna let it cool off a little bit, and it comes right off. It's not that difficult. Just a tight little spot, and we got the knock sensor out. The sensor out. The hard part is gonna be trying to line the new sensor's threads, but take your time. Right from over here, all this freaking wire is on the way. Kind of hard to see, but you should be able to get this guy to sit in a line properly. Let me grab my light. And there it is. It's sitting right where I want it to be at. Right in there. Right there. It's hard to see, but it's there. Right there. It's gonna be not perfect, clear video here, but all you're gonna do is turn, lock up the sensor, and put the connector in, and it should be very simple to do. There it is. video. So